Hello, I'm Chris. I'm the CEO and co-founder of PaperCut. I'm actually also if I'm honest with myself, a little bit of a try-hard Go programmer. I'm definitely a passionate engineer and I love programming in Go. And I'm here to tell a few stories about Hugo and our use of it. But before I do, one of the little known facts about PaperCut is everyone in the company is trained up as a certified coffee barista. And we believe all good conversations start with a coffee. So before I start a conversation with Grayson, who's our head of digital marketing, he's actually much cooler than the title, I'm going to make a coffee and then we'll dive into it. I should also tell you a little bit about PaperCut. 22 years ago, Matt and myself, co-founders, we wanted to solve the problem of printing and wasteful printing. So we created a company and now it's in use in 192 countries around the globe. Deep down, we're technologists. We love coding, we love building things. And in the early days of PaperCut, 22 years ago when we were a startup, we did everything. That meant our website, our documentation, and we still very much bring that attitude into the company today. And this is where Hugo's surfaced because we've really seen a change to the need for static site generation, removing the complexity around server-side code, etc. So we've really jumped on it and embraced it. And because it's HugoConf and we love Hugo so much, I have made a coffee with a love heart. So let's head up and meet Grayson. Okay, Grayson, they say at PaperCut that coffees don't come for free, so I'm going to hit you up with some hard-hitting questions.
I thought you might.
Yeah. Well, the first one is tell us about yourself and your team and what you do.
Yeah, so I'm the digital marketing lead here at PaperCut, and I've been in the web space for almost 10 years. And over the last 18 months, I've been managing the conversion from our multi-CMS and hard-coded stack to a static site. And I have a team of a few people in different disciplines covering development, design, and channel marketing.
Yeah. And look, it's funny for me to ask this question of you because I often stand next to you in the cafe and hear you complaining. But what problems are you endeavouring to solve and what was life like before Hugo?
So before Hugo, we had a mix of different IT systems which helped us put content onto the website. And what we're trying to do is consolidate them to have a single way that we put content out that it works fast. It meets core web vitals and it makes it easy for us to make changes.
And what sort of systems were they?
So previously we had a mix of PM Wiki,
yep,
Mabcat Flare, WordPress, and a PHP environment with templating.
Yeah, so that was our standard web pages, our knowledge base, our manual, our blog. So all those systems were all managed by a multitude of different systems.
Yeah, correct. And what we're trying to do is consolidate our approach so we can have a shared knowledge through the business on how you update web content.
Yep.
And make sure that we get the people who are making changes as close to the problem as possible so they're enabled to create good outcomes.
Yeah. So the way I sort of think about it is Hugo is the compiler and then we've got CloudCannon, the editor. I think over the years, one of the secrets of PaperCut is our ability to take the different minds at PaperCut and the different skill sets and have everyone working together. So has this approach allowed us to keep developers happy as well as our marketers or our channel people or customer advocates? Has this helped us solve that problem and bring minds together?
What we were trying to do with CloudCannon is continue that proud legacy that you left previously by enabling marketers and non-technical people to make changes to the website while maintaining a good environment for developers to work in. And as you know, CloudCannon's a Git-based CMS, so it sits on top of our existing Git processes and it makes everyone happy.
Yeah, I think Git makes developers happy and also sad occasionally at times too.
I bet it does.
Look, here at PaperCut, we've been a real big proponent of working with partners. So we've got our partner network that sell our software around the globe, and I understand that you've been working with CloudCannon from a partnering perspective. Tell me a little bit more about that.
Yeah, I'm really thrilled with our relationship with CloudCannon. I get to work really closely with them to work out what the future of our stack looks like, and almost as an extension of our existing team. The relationship is really easy for us, and when we're at times where we've got high capacity problems, we're able to tap them on the shoulder and work with them to get things done that we still want to do, but maybe we can't afford to do internally.
Yeah. So it's injected a little bit of Hugo knowledge into the team and just general web practice as well.
Yeah, for sure. They're Hugo specialists. They really understand Hugo, and they're bringing things into our team that we may not have known about the environment. So we're really pleased to work with them.
Yeah, awesome. So look, I know the team are excited to get rid of all these legacy systems and approaches, but I assume now they love Hugo?
The team loves Hugo. I'm with them. And I'm going to take this moment for a bit of a shameless plug. If there's any Hugo experts out there, or Hugo heroes as we like to dub them at PaperCut, and you're looking to solve interesting engineering problems, we'd love to hear from you.
Well, Grayson, I think you definitely earned your coffee. Thank you for that. And to all those Hugo people out there at HugoConf, lean in and do more with Hugo.